Good Wednesday afternoon. What's going on? Happy day, happy day. We made it through another night without getting stopped out, fortunately. Actually, no, that's not true. I did get stopped out in ADA once or twice. I think just once. But it is what it is. All right, let's go ahead and hop over. What's going on? I didn't mean to do that. Hold on. There we go. Pop out the chat. Camera's not facing the right way because it never does. There we go. Rodrigo. Yee. What's going on? Satoshi's. Radish. Jeff. Jens. Santa Claus. The Yeezys are on sale. I don't know if I'll be picking up another pair of Yeezys. I'm just not a shoe collector. I like them, but I'm not a collector. Trevor, what's going on? What's up? James, what's up? What's up? Mr. Johnny Crypto. Uptober. Upvember. Upsimber. We'll see. Hopefully, I mean, that would be preferable, but we will see. Let's go and jump into it. So, not much has changed from yesterday. Ethereum has put in new highs, and we've moved farther away and actually broke the range on BTC. I believe yesterday, right before we hopped off Livestream, was this rejection right here on BTC. But since then, we have broken this resistance. Next major resistance would be up here. No doubt that we might be sitting along this for a little bit. Like I said, I don't want to get too excited just yet. There is always the possibility that we do head back down. In that case scenario, obviously this short ABC is what I'm going to be using to hedge Bitcoin if it does happen to come to fruition. Alongside that, obviously Algo's still sitting around that entry point. I got knocked out last night. I've not re-entered since then. I'm looking to re-enter if we get back down like 33.25. That would be my entry point. Besides that, I mean, it's just cruising. Setting in new higher highs on Ethereum. Charging up the baseline here. Next trend resistance would probably be somewhere around 1659. But we should be hoping for a retest of at least 1790. That would be preferable. Like I said, there's nothing for me to do at the moment in time on Ethereum, especially. Obviously, a couple days ago, we were sitting in the position of having a possible ABC, which did get entered once or twice maybe, but that's before we broke out to the upside tremendously. So there is no short availability for Ethereum at this moment in time. Obviously, this all looks like one uptrend to me at the moment. So maybe we do go back down, get a retest of maybe 1491, possibly build some sort of B formation. Who knows? Who knows? And then we'll have a hedge position soon. Obviously, I'm hoping that this actually just continues. That would be preferable for me in terms of creating the larger ABC structure. Obviously, it has more weight, as well as that we would like to see some higher highs. At the moment, we're sitting in 554% profit on Ethereum. Obviously, I am on a little bit higher leverage here, 22x leverage, but still nice to see. Almost at $400. I think when we logged off last, I think we hit a peak of 320. So we're definitely further than we were yesterday, which I love to see. So I truly hope it still climbs, and we are sitting in a good place for it too, but I'm sure there might be some retests. But we will see, we will see. US 100 actually hasn't moved much past a day here, and the market is going to be closing pretty soon. But I mean, overall macro structure that we've been talking about is very nice. We're getting that bounce off of the ABC, the SPY as well. SPY actually did well today for the most part. Continuing up higher. DXY DXY has dumped down, and we have made a bullish ABC pattern on the DXY. Something to be aware of. We don't know if that's going to trigger. If it does, obviously, first and foremost, probably looking for a test of the halfway point if we are going to see continuation. If not, we might be seeing a higher high. So obviously, we'll see what that does to the market. Like I said, I mean, we are seeing correlation, but at the same time, we'll don't know how far that will extend. XRP still bumping up here, has yet to confirm its short entry right here. I don't think I'll be taking that, but it is on the table if someone wanted to. Obviously that coming from uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. But at the moment we are working off of this hedge position versus the last short from about 51 cents. So this is the competing range at the moment for XRP. We'll see how it works out. Kind of all tuckered out. I was teaching someone earlier today. So I've been talking shop all day long. You're gonna have to throw that into Google Translate for me if you can. Misa, what's going on? Simran, what's going on, man? Trevor went on vacation, came back, and we finally got some volatility. So unfortunately, I'm not in anything, but happy the team's killing it. That's what's up, man. Hopefully there'll be a pullback to hop into a long, or maybe some hedge positions you might be able to hop into. That's the best I can hope for. Are there any longs you're watching? I know ADA is near entry. Not really, not at the moment. We're gonna check around. We've talked about flirting with KDA's possible long entry. Once we get back above kind of this region right here, which is gonna be hard to kind of guesstimate, but there is that possibility. Maybe if we get back above 1346, we may push a little bit higher to around $1.37. At the moment, we just have ADA still chilling around entry. Sol was having a little bit of a pullback last night. If it comes back down, I think I might try to enter, but I don't know. Kind of giving up on sushi. Obviously, we're putting in higher highs, opening up new positions for shorts, but I don't know, man. Kind of tired of this coin already. Check out Link. Link hasn't put in that higher high yet. D still doing piss poor. Yeah, I'm not really seeing much when it comes to longs here. A lot of the entries have already been fulfilled, and they're carrying on. LTC did very well. Yeah, it looks like, I mean, if you didn't take the long entries while they were available, for right now, they're gone until we form some new ones or have some retests. You take in ADA macro entry possible target. You know how I play nowadays. I don't have a target in terms of I'm going to be taking profit at such and such level. I need to wait and see what happens to price action. Now, in terms of resistances, obviously I'd be looking for a retest of 52 cents, hopefully breaking 52 cents, going to test 59, and then 68. Till then, there's nothing really in terms of a target. Nice seeing you back. How you doing? I'm doing good. I'm a little bit tired today. It's just the past couple of days have just been like this cloudy weather. It's affecting me. It's hello in Korean. It's an awful long hello, but hello. Appreciate the translation. Are we going to be rich in the near future? If we keep it up long enough, we definitely will. I'm surprised you don't like the sushi short setup. What's deterring you from it? Just sushi has not treated me well in the past. The amount of times we go over and under entry points, it's hard for me to keep at it. That's all. I mean, pot, I guess, okay. If we discount this one is all right. The larger structure is all right. I was thinking too small. I mean, that is there. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. All right, let's take a poll. Where do I set up my polls again? Is that right here? You guys gotta be kidding me. Come on. Almost 90%. Am I the only person that voted no? Come on, guys. Give me a break. All right. It is a larger structure. I'll give you that. It's a decent structure. But man, sushi just be hurting people. It just be calling you names, throwing sand in your eyeballs at the playground. Sushi's just not kind. All right, we'll take the sushi short. What the hell, dude? We get stopped. That was Johnny Crypto's fault. Yeah, Johnny. What the hell, man? All right, we'll close the poll. Hey, Kite, what do you think about trading bots like Pinex, etc.? If it's built by someone else, I don't care what they show you. I wouldn't do it. If you're taking a strategy that you know is provably profitable, and then you apply it to a bot, yeah, go for it. Give it a decent amount of money, but not your entire portfolio, and let it run. See what it does. See if it's making any mistakes. Facebook stonk wrecked. Meta. It's still dipping down. All that bad PR from them showing off their recent developments. I mean, it is at a support region, so now's a good time to DCA. If you're into Facebook. I think they're pretty good. When in terms of like their VR department, I think they're leading the way. Obviously, there's a lot of other companies out there that have like better resolutions, and their technologies are pretty cool. But in terms of like mass adoption, I think they're doing pretty well. But let's see how far that can take them. James, back at it again. The new bull market is now underway. Prices bottomed at 17.6K. We will soon be above 40K. Where are you getting this from? Just as much as the next guy, I would love that. Where are you getting it from? Who told you this? Can you check Gala? Take a look at Gala. There's nothing too exciting. I mean, if we get back above this level, this would be halfway decent. But as of right now, I know like you might want to try to go down and find an ABC off of this smaller time frame, but I wouldn't risk that. What trading strategies do you use? I use ABC entries. So essentially all I'm looking for is an uptrend, a downtrend, an uptrend, or the opposite, a downtrend, an uptrend, a downtrend. Basically all it is just basic market psychology. Price is going up, 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 up. Market shows you that it's scared here. We retrace, and then we go back up to retest. And if the market fails to stay above that level, this is a good place to hop back into a short and then let it rip. They don't always work out, but when they do, they're massive profit. Like on Ethereum here. This was one of those situations. Downtrend. Market showing you that there's heavy support here. It pops back up. We go back down to retest. Market tries to push through. Market doesn't succeed. Buy-in point once you get back above line. And we're ripping. I didn't get that low of an entry, but I did get it off of this level, which was decently close. So this was my entry off of that ABC, but there was the larger time frame ABC. Will you teach us crypto options trading? No, I'm sticking with leverage. That's my thing. When is it okay to use 100x leverage? If you set your calculator up for it, but I don't see why you would. Doesn't make much sense to me. If you're using 1% of your portfolio as margin, you'd be risking 100% of that 1% as margin, which just means you're basically just willing to get liquidated. So. But lately I've been using this one. 5%, 4%. So I've had for some of my trades. Just because on USDT I don't have a lot of available balance, since I'm sticking some actually in Bitcoin and some actually in Ethereum. Well, 100x doesn't necessarily mean death unless you're setting up wrong. Like if you're using like, right now there's $1,300 in this portfolio. If I was to take $1,300 and put it as margin and put that as 100x, yeah, that's death. But if I was to take $13 at 100x leverage, that's no different than using 2x leverage with Yeah, whatever the calculation would be. What, 50%? Yeah. 2x leverage was $650. There's no difference. You're still gonna make the same amount of money. You're gonna lose the same exact amount of money. No, there's no difference. Okay, you got a haircut or a girlfriend? No, just a haircut, dude. Is it either or? You don't use trend lines anymore, only SR? Correct. Trend lines tend to be finicky in terms of like people adapting them to what they want to see from the market. I mean, you could have easily just made a trend line and been like, well, we're going down from here. But that's how I choose to play, because horizontals are true or false. Diagonals, you can shift them. Like right now, like I'm sure like people are looking at this diagonal like, we broke out of the downtrend. We are the most bullish boys. But we can just as easily come back down. Single people don't get haircuts. Everyone knows that. You don't want to like look good for yourself. For me, it's not like I want to look good. It's more like there's less I have to do. It's easier to wash my hair. I sleep better. I don't have hair up in my eyeballs. I can wake up and go on stream and look somewhat decent. Like I haven't taken a shower today, and I look like I did my hair almost. I guess not. But you get the point. First Bugatti, then girlfriend. Which one's cheaper? Yeah, you looking kind of cute. Oh, Trevor, thank you very much. I don't have necessarily any Ethereum targets. Obviously, the next resistance we would be looking to retest, ultimately, would be 1793. And then hopefully, if we break 1793, 2031. Obviously, on a smaller time frame, we're looking for a retest around 1660. There's no BTC short because we haven't gone back down. All right, if we're keeping on a higher time frame here, guys. All right, we ain't going down to no 1 minute and being like, oh, this is ABC. All right, don't get ahead of yourself. All right, if we're on a higher time frame, only structure that is of a worry for BTC is if we get back down below this level. That's a little bit of ways. Pets, I have a dog. His name is Fish. Also goes by Fishy Wishy Bishertons. That's if he's doing something bad. That's what I call him. How is it, Kite? It goes it good. Triumph, what's going on, man? You still rocking that Pentium? Just open an OnlyFans, not OnlyGans. That's a good one. That's a good yoke. Oh, dude, I don't know if I can handle a Shiba Inu, dude. My friend had one, and he would bring it over, and him and Fish would play, and the Shiba Inu is too rough. And like the way that they like squeak. It's just, I don't know if I can handle that. Okay, have you seen that show on Netflix called Daybreak? Not that great, but there's a dog that looks like fishies, like 10 times the size and runs around. I have seen that show, but I don't remember that part. The only part that I really remember is like when, like the cannibals, I don't give away any spoilers, like trap them, which was like the last episode. That's the only thing I really remember. I saw that. I watched Daybreak. All right. Remember, guys, I live my life by the charts. I binge watched Daybreak right here. All right. I was watching Daybreak, and then I remember that. That was a 40% pump in one day. When we broke this descending triangle is when I took a trip to Atlanta for Dragon Con. Did you get the music I sent you on Discord? I believe I did. I did get that message. I'll probably play it for the outro today. Looking good, pumpkin pie. Is that because I have an orange shirt? Thank you. Appreciate it. It's Adidas. Adidas. KDA going to 75 cents, isn't it? Tuesday, isn't it? I mean, the next like support, if you want to even call that support, would be like 75, 70 cents. I mean, if we continue holding below this, obviously that is a concern, but obviously with the way things are acting, I wouldn't doubt that it can't get back above this support. But yeah, I mean, technically if that happens, it's chronological order. 70 cents would be up next. Kite, can we see the girls on Tinder in Virginia? You want to go Tinder hunting on stream? Probably this is a trap. Let me go set up Algo's entry again. Since we got knocked out of that. Entry around 3320. Just swipe right. Is that the strat? Let's get it going. You guys know what time it is. Give me one moment to set it up. We gotta test our skills, which is really just me waiting for you guys to give me good answers. That's what it is for me. One moment while I get this set up. I gotta like configure it every single time. There we go. All right. So, first word I'm going with is audio. Oh, that doesn't help anymore. So we got a U and we got an O. They're not in the correct place though. Union? Well, there's no I. So if you guys don't know how to play this game, you should by now. All right. If the letter is orange, that means that it's in the word, but not in the correct place. If we have already used the letter and it's gray, that letter is not even in the word, and it's a 5-letter word. Onion. Well, there's no U in onion. I was thinking union. Yours? No, unfortunately not. So, how? No, because there's no S. All right, so we know that the... Well, it's not house because we've already used S. There is no S. Mourn? It can't be mourn because there's no R. Oscar? No, there's no R. Trout? Okay, well, we got something. Spout. There's no S. Kraut? There's no R. All right, so we know the last 3 letters are O-U-T. Flout? Shout. There's no S. It is flout. Was Johnny the first one to get it? I thought. Flout and about. Johnny is the winner today. You know, you're just out here flouting around town. Clout. Oh, we already got it. We already got it, Sky Knight. You ever change your charts to light mode so you can live a moment in your dad's shoes? Absolutely not. That's a terrible place to be. Go Parabolic. Hey Kite, quick question about ABCs. Do you buy the second your if this and that statement line is crossed, or do you wait for confirmations? The second it's crossed. Alright, we'll look up the definition of flout since so flout definition. Openly disregard. These companies still flout basic ethical practices to mock or to scoff. The women pointed and flouted at her. Yeah, people don't say that anymore, but hey, it's a word. Kite, show stream the pic I sent over Discord. I'm being accused of cheating. What did you send over Discord? Wait, did you do it on your computer too? Did you knew the word beforehand? I mean, isn't that technically cheating? You found it out before me. Johnny can't be trusted. We should say flout Johnny. We disregard you, Johnny. We flout you, dude. Get flouted. I'm just trying my best. Your best isn't good enough, Johnny. How dare you cheat? Thanks for all the help, Kite. I'm practicing learning the ABCs from watching your live streams. Your tutorial video written up on online. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Ever try longing after the A? Ever try longing from the B after, or ever, god dang it. Ever try longing from the A after B is put into trade with the trend instead of against? I have not tried that because a lot of the times you're gonna get caught in a double wave. All right, because there's plenty of times where like price action rocks back and forth over this line, and sometimes you're gonna lose a lot of stops when that happens if you're playing both sides. And the objective, most importantly, is not to take these breakout trades, but to have the hedges. Like if I'm taking a short position, most of the time it is a hedge against a long. It might not be on the same coin, but that's what the purpose of it is. Okay, you see the new Discord update? I did see that. I've been playing around with that. The games are actually really fun. Obviously, there's poker. My favorite's probably Land.io, but that's because I'm a child. Also, Sketchheads is very fun. It's like Pictionary. Spellcast, I was playing that last night, which I did cheat at that one. Just one game to see like what was. It's actually disheartening Like, I went to like Boggle Cheat 5x5, and it actually just made me feel worse. Not like, oh, I feel bad because I'm cheating. It's just like you see how many available words there are to make, and it makes me sad that I can barely find a 4-letter word. Wait, did I just see NSFW? Is that a word? Yeah, it's right here. Hey, how dare you? No, I used it against Bo. I didn't use it against you. Are you gonna take that macro long on algo or just keep the conditional short? Just the conditional short. Because I mean, I have the macro long on ADA and Ethereum. There's no reason for me to overdo it. Anyways, that's not even the... There is no real trend shift here, which is unfortunate. And this is what I would consider the macro. Or at least like the 4-hour. Obviously, yeah, like I see that, but it's already proven not to really be worth trading. No, I told Bo after we got done with the game, because I scored like 150 points, which usually I'm only averaging like maybe 90. What's the risk on my trades? 1%. Also, since I've been playing Cookie Clicker, I now have an auto clicker. So whenever we do the Kelly criterion on coin flip, it just makes it easy on my fingers. I just go over here. I'm going to set it to, 10%. And let me make it so it's not too fast. Do 250 milliseconds. Then we can just watch. I don't even have to touch. That's kind of slow, isn't it? I can click faster than that. Do 75 milliseconds. That's better. There you go. You don't even have to wait for the market to move. You can just watch a fake market. Oh, you see that ABC top? Whoa. Oh, we just hit a stride. You did miss Wardle today, unfortunately. Fishy, wishy, Bishertons, dude. I wish it showed you how many times you've clicked. See you, Lang. We're at $1 bajillion. All right, I think that's enough. '70s cop music. It's kind of spooky. You can get someone smart to inspect element and copy the code. Also, you can make an official Kite calculator. Are you talking about this, or are you talking about what I just had on my screen? Something like, I wouldn't want to take that from them. I mean, it's just a simple Google search and you go to their website. Man, why'd you guys make me take the sushi trade? Why'd you do that? I was living peaceful. I had everything under control. And then you just had to go, sushi trade. Now here I am. Getting stopped at a sushi. See who is at my front door. No sushi re-entry? Oh, now you're just begging me to do it again? Come on, man. I mean, we're not even back below the line, are we? We're chilling at it, but... Why do you want to do this to me? We already have Algo. Alright, we have BTC if it goes back down. I'll be heading off here in a couple minutes, guys. Just a nice chill day, cloudy day. Want to recheck up on some of these trades. Ethereum's still performing quite well. I wish ADA pumped a little bit through the night. Obviously, I don't like sitting around the entry point. I'd much rather be able to chillax and out watch it. It was a little bit late. Would Javon show me what made you take the algo trade? Just a simple ABC as always. Right here. 2 hour time frame. Uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. If this and that statement line. So we go back below it. I'll be taking a short. A little bit of a hedge. Misa, have a good night. I appreciate you being here. Go ahead and get that song loaded up that you sent over to me. Up on SoundCloud. That's an hour long. I don't know if I'll be playing that one. Did I get the right one? Maybe for the intro next tomorrow, I'll try to find some songs from it that I like, and I'll just start from there. You can play unlimited Wordle in the link mentioned. Where'd you send that? Was it through Discord? People, I haven't heard that coin in a long time. I don't know if I'll be touching people. All right, guys. I'm heading off. Have a great day. Play the entries safe. Don't get too crazy with it. And hopefully we have some more good news to wake up to tomorrow. Hopefully this will be above $400. I would hope so, but obviously I don't have high hopes. We're probably just gonna get stuck in another range for another month or two. All right, guys. I appreciate your time. As always, I will be here tomorrow. 2 to 4 p.m. All right. Haven't locked in a time yet. Sometimes I like to do it a little bit earlier. Sometimes I like to do it a little bit later. 2 to 4 p.m. EST. Just, I don't know. I'm not consistent. All right, guys. Yusef, take care, man. Josh, thanks for being here. Jack, let's see you, buddy. Bed, sushi start down, I guess. I don't know if I'll be re-entering that one. Maybe if I'm feeling bored, but. All right, guys. Let's do the thing. Bye.